The image is an infographic illustrating different wire sizes measured in square millimeters, mm2, and their common applications or typical loads in electrical wiring. Each wire size is shown with its corresponding color, though it's important to note that wire color coding can vary by region or standard. Here's a detailed breakdown of each row. Black wire, 1.5 millimeter square. Appearance: a black insulated wire with copper conductors. Size: 1.5 millimeter square. Application: an arrow points to a light bulb, indicating that this size is typically used for lighting circuits, which generally draw less current. Red wire, 2.5 millimeter square. Appearance: a red insulated wire with copper conductors. Size: 2.5 millimeter square. Application: an arrow points to an electrical outlet, socket. This size is commonly used for general-purpose power outlets where appliances like TVs, computers, or small kitchen appliances might be plugged in. Yellow-green stripe wire, 4 millimeter square. Appearance: a yellow insulated wire with a green stripe. Though the green stripe is faintly visible in this black and white context, the color combination typically denotes grounding in many standards, but here it seems to represent a live wire for a specific load. Size: 4 millimeter square. Application: an arrow points to an indoor air conditioning unit. This suggests that 4 millimeter square wire is suitable for circuits supplying larger appliances like air conditioners. Red wire, 6 millimeter square. Appearance: a red insulated wire with copper conductors. Size: 6 millimeter square. Application: an arrow points to an outdoor air conditioning condenser unit. This indicates that 6 millimeter square wire is used for even larger loads, such as the main power supply to a substantial air conditioning system. Green wire, 10 millimeter square. Appearance: a green insulated wire with copper conductors. Size: 10 millimeter square. Application: an arrow points to a smaller house icon. This implies that 10 millimeter square wire might be used for the main service entrance or sub-main circuits for a small residential dwelling. Blue wire, 16 millimeter square. Appearance: a blue insulated cable with multiple thicker copper conductors. Appears to be a multi-strand cable, not a single solid conductor. Size: 16 millimeter square. Application: an arrow points to a larger house icon. This suggests that 16 millimeter wire or cable is used for the main service entrance or main distribution for a larger house or building, supplying power to the entire structure. At the bottom, social media icons, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and the text DIY electrical wiring are present, indicating that this image is part of an educational or informational resource related to electrical wiring, possibly for DIY enthusiasts or students. The image provides a visual guide to selecting appropriate wire sizes based on the intended electrical load.